Welcome back to AudioTrends TV. Today we've got the Denon Home 150. It's a powered speaker. We're going to open it up and I'm going to show you exactly what comes in the box. Let's get straight into it. So as you can see, you get a few things in the box. It's pretty basic. You get the power cable, you get a quick start guide, which is very thick. You get a Denon consumer products, bit of paperwork, boring, and you get the Denon Home speaker. Let's open this up now. There we have it. That was a simple unboxing. If you'd like to see an overview of the Denon Home 150, click the link at the end of this video to see that. Thank you for watching this and give it a like if you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.